Burned by fraudulent research at Merrill Lynch or other well-known brokerage firms? Despite the settlement with the state of New York, Merrill Lynch clients will have to file their own cases to pursue damages. Agencies across the country are investigating allegations of similar conduct at other firms. If you bought securities in reliance on your brokerage firm's unethical research, you may have a valuable claim. Hill, Parker & Robeson LLP and Arthur S. Feldman & Associates are reviewing potential claims. To discuss your case, call now toll-free 1-866-98-STOCK.
Cerebral palsy. There is no cure. Cerebral palsy, caused by a brain injury that occurs before, during, or shortly after birth, and may mean lifelong special care. If your child has cerebral palsy, you may be entitled to compensation. Call 866-LAW-9100 right now for a free consultation. Justice is available. Call 866-LAW-9100. Don't suffer in silence. Call 866-LAW-9100 now.
Do you have a loved one in an assisted living center or nursing home? Are there signs of physical abuse or medical neglect? Federal investigators state that more than 30% of nursing homes have been cited for harming residents or putting them at risk. The report states that residents have suffered serious injuries or in some cases have died as a result of neglect. The greatest generation deserves dignity and respect. If you're concerned for your loved one, call 1-866-PI-BAIRD for a free consultation. That's 1-866-742-2473. Attention! The federal judge responsible for the Fen-Phen class action has established deadlines for concluding litigation. If you or a loved one has used Fen-Phen or Redux, please listen carefully. Symptoms include shortness of breath, chest pains, memory loss, and fatigue. However, heart damage is possible without experiencing any symptoms. Call 1-866-698-8766. The manufacturer of Fen-Phen, Pondamin, and Redux has set aside billions of dollars to compensate injured victims. Time is running out to take legal action. Call 1-866-698-8766 now. Attention! 700,000 Americans have taken the cholesterol drug Baycol. In August 2001, Bayer Pharmaceutical Division removed Baycol from the market after reports of at least 50 deaths. If you use Baycol and had rhabdomyolysis, kidney failure, or experienced muscle pain or weakness, dark urine or nausea, you may be entitled to a cash settlement. If you or a loved one used Baycol and had any of these side effects, please call 1-888-LAW-5969.
Well,
We've studied your case.
and we think you should settle
Immediately.
But I just gave you the case yesterday.
Oh, but time is money.
Hey, don't touch that.
If you've been injured, you need an attorney who knows how to win, not settle for less. Call attorney Steve Lee. Attorney Steve Lee has been in business for 25 years. He has handled thousands of cases, and he can help you. Call attorney Steve Lee at 921-4171.
Settle! Settle! Settle!
Injured in an auto accident? Call the lawyers at JBC. Call 713-JBC-Law-1. Get the money you deserve. Call 713-JBC-Law-1. JBC lawyers fight for your rights. Call 713-JBC-Law-1. Attention! If you or a loved one has taken the antidepressant drug Serzone, listen carefully. Serzone has been linked to life-threatening liver damage and other serious conditions. Symptoms include jaundice, dark urine, loss of appetite, seizures, hives, and shortness of breath. However, signs of damage may take time to develop. Damage is possible without symptoms. Users of Serzone, you may be entitled to take legal action for compensation. Don't delay. Exercise your rights. Call 888-WE-CAN-WIN, because together we can win.
I only wanted to lose weight.
Warning, the images of a heart valve transplant surgery you're about to see are graphic in nature.
Millions of Americans took one of the following diet drugs: Fen-Phen, Redux, or Pondamin. For many, the price of losing weight has been severe cardiovascular problems. Many cases have resulted in the surgery you see before you now. Many have resulted in death. Although you may not currently show signs of heart-related problems, damage may be present. Call Thurlow & Associates today for free screening and confidential results.